Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to fix critical error on edit page in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in WordPress website. Our front end is working. So when we open edit page, so edit page show critical error. Now you see there has been a critical error on this website, but website front end working fine and also dashboard working fine. So there are multiple ways to fix this issue. So you can deactivate plugin and then activate plugin one by one to check this error. Now you see dashboard is working fine. So you can deactivate all plugin and then activate plugin one by one to identify which plugin caused this error. So there are multiple ways to fix this issue, or you can increase memory limit, or you can change PHP version of website. So in our case, our theme is old, we have not updated and we are using PHP version 8. So that's why show this error. Or we can update theme, or we can downgrade PHP version. Now go to hosting. If you want, you can fix this issue by upgrade PHP memory limit by adding code in .htaccess file. Now you see our PHP version 8. So click on it. Now you see PHP version 8.0. Now select 7.4. Now scroll down, click on OK. Now setting updated done. Go to edit page again and refresh the page. Now you see page is loading. Now you see builder symbol. So in our case, we downgrade our PHP version because we not updated our theme. Now you see builder is loading. So in this way you can fix this issue. You can apply multiple way. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.